welcome. In this video, we are going to look at how to multiply a binomial by a binomial.
Now let us look at one activity to understand multiplication of two binomials. Multiply 2x plus y and x plus 3y. Now you can see that I have placed some colored squares here. The purple square represents x, the blue square represents y, green square represents x square, yellow square represents y square, and red square represents xy. Next we are going to draw lines vertically and horizontally in this way. Now for the binomial 2x plus y, for 2x I am going to consider two purple squares and place it here. And for y, I am going to consider one blue square and place it here. Same way for the binomial x plus 3y, for x I am going to consider one purple square and place it above here. And for 3y, I am going to consider three blue squares and place it here. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to multiply these two binomials. That is 2x plus y multiplied by x plus 3y. Now let's multiply it. We will multiply each term of this binomial with each term of the other binomial. Let's start from x. X into x is x square. So we are going to place a green square here in this way. Next, x into y is xy. So we are going to place a red square here in this way. Same way, we will multiply this x with y, we get xy. Again we are going to place a red square here. Again let's multiply x with this y and we are going to get xy. So we are going to place a red square here. Now let's multiply this x with each term of the other binomial. So x into x gives x square. So we are going to place a green square here. Now let's multiply this x with y, we get xy. So we are going to place a red square here. Same way, x into y gives xy. So we are going to place a red square here. Same way, x into y is xy. We are going to place a red square here. Now we are going to multiply y with each term of the other binomial. So, y into x is xy. We will place a red square here. Now, y into y is y square. Y square is a yellow square. So, we are going to place a yellow square here. Same way, y into y is y square. We are going to place a yellow square here. Again, y into y is y square. We are going to place a yellow square here. We know that green square is x square, red square is xy, and yellow square is y square. Now we are going to add all these. So let's see how many x square we have. We have 2x squares. We have 2x squares plus we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 xy, 7 xy plus we have y square, 1, 2, 3. We have 3y square. So when we multiply 2x plus y and x plus 3y, we get 2x square plus 7xy plus 3y square as the answer. Now let's solve this mathematically. 2x plus y multiplied by x plus 3y. First we will multiply the first term of the second binomial with each term of the other binomial. That is, x into 2x is 2x square. Since x is positive, plus into plus is plus. X into y is xy. Now we will multiply 3y with each term of the other binomial. So first we will multiply 3y into 2x. We get 3 into 2 is 6, y into x is xy. So 6xy. We will write this below xy. We get plus 6xy. Next we will multiply 3y with y. So 3y into y gives 3y square. Since both are positive, plus into plus is plus. So we get plus 3y square. Now we will add. 2x square we'll write as it is below. 2x square. Now we have plus xy plus 6xy. That is equal to plus 7xy. And here we have plus 3y square. So we are going to write as it is plus 3y square. So this is the answer. Now you can see that through the activity, whatever answer we have got, the same answer we have got even mathematically. In this way, you can find the product of two binomials.
Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.